going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to learn 10 mini ramp tricks using one technique. Now I remember when I first learned this technique, it made me feel like a little kid again because it just opened my mind up to so many new tricks that I could learn. So yeah, that's why I'm so excited to share it with you. And the trick is to slide your wheels on the ramp. Now you might have heard me talk about this in another video, but it's just super important. I thought I should break it down a little more for you guys. So the first thing you're going to want to do is practice power slides. You're going to find a smooth surface somewhere and just try to get your power slides down as best as you can. So I'm not going to do a full tutorial on a power slide, but a few quick tips are just lean back pretty far back, and right before you start to turn to do the power slide, just give a little bit of a hop. Makes you kind of feel light-footed so the board can glide a little better. Another tip is to kind of keep one foot on the nose and one foot on the tail and learn how to just pivot while sliding your wheels. You can do front side or back side, just whatever feels comfortable for you, just to get the feeling of sliding your wheels on the ground. Alright, so then once you feel comfortable doing that, you can hop on the ramp and try to do it there. So like any other trick, you're just going to want to start lower just to get yourself more comfortable with it. But the idea of this trick is to ride at an angle and then slide your wheels so you can come back down fakie. Now you could approach this very similar to the power slide on the ground. You're just gonna kind of do it at an angle on a slant. So you can keep your feet kind of spread out if you want at first. Press on the nose a little bit just to get that feeling of sliding your wheels on the ramp. But eventually, you're just gonna want to keep your feet in your regular stance position and almost think about it as a blunt slide where you're pressing on your heel a little bit and giving a little bit of a hop. So once you get comfortable sliding your wheels around on the ramp, front side, back side, switch, regular, you'll start to realize you can do variations of all the basic tricks by using this technique. So for example, a front side 50-50, if you have those down and you learn how to do this, you'll be able to do alley-oop frontside 50-50s. To me, I think the easiest one to learn is the alley-oop backside 50-50. Then you can start doing it with 5-0s. Hurricane grinds start to open up for you. Like anything, you know, it's gonna feel weird at first. There's a learning curve. So at first you're gonna keep trying to, you know, get the feeling of it, get up there. It'll be difficult. But if you just keep doing it, even if it's like once a week or, you know, just here and there, just kind of burning it into your head, eventually you'll be able to slide those wheels around and just learn all the tricks, hurricane grinds, everything like that. And it's really not too dangerous trying to learn these. I mean, the worst that could happen is you don't slide enough, you kind of just stand on the coping. I mean, occasionally you can overshoot, which really you'll just end up sliding down the ramp. I mean, I'm not saying there's no risk involved, I'm just saying, you know, it's not as scary as you might think. One more tip is that if you have harder wheels on a surface like this right here, which is skate light, it'll slide much easier than if you have really soft wheels because they tend to be grippier. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just leave them down below. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.